sometimes you just have to eat a whole cucumber. Okay, so disclaimer, I don't have a mandolin. I'm using a knife. And my countertop space is not nice, so I'm gonna have to chop it down here, and then y'all can see afterwards. So. Okay, so we're all cut, so I'm just putting these into the thing, and let's keep going. This is full as hell. I don't know how this is supposed to shape. So I will be doing the salmon one with cream cheese. This is the salmon I got. I shop at Lidl, so this is the salmon I got, and it was only a couple dollars. Fun fact, when it comes to meats and fish and stuff, on a cutting board, you need to use a plastic one because of how porous the wooden ones are, and you doing your vegetables and your stuff like that. You don't want the bacteria to be stuck in this and then get on, cross-contamination. So do meats on a plastic one. You may have noticed I'm back with an addition. Anyway, next is the capers. Can y'all see that? Oh, I got a glare. I don't know how many. Ooh. I guess we're gonna have some caper juice. It'll fork some. I don't know. I hope that's not too much. Obviously, I wanted to get the whipped cream cheese, but I did not. But I did get the, what is this, onion and chive. So, I'll do some of that. Everything bagel seasoning. There you go. Ooh, that's a lot. And since I don't have MSG, I'm gonna use some adobo. And what about it? That's just that and that. Now we shake. Okay, big reveal. I think that looks okay. Now let's see what they're hitting on. And yes, these are my own chopsticks, because that's what your girl be doing sometimes. Ooh, it's slippery. I prefer a big one, but